Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm super excited to show you how to create this.
Go ahead and open the Alight Motion app. Select 24 FPS for your frame rate, and then tap on Create Project. Go ahead and add a circle shape. Next, open up the vector drawing tool, draw a straight line just like this. Turn on the stroke feature and change its color to white. Select the straight line layer, go to Move and Transform, and tap the plus icon. Now move the dot on your screen to the top, and tap the plus icon again. Now, parent the circle shape layer to the straight line layer. Just like that, they're linked. Duplicate that circle layer. Head into Move and Transform. Slide it down a touch and scale it to your liking. Important note, drop this layer to the bottom of the timeline stack. Trust me, this will keep our upcoming text layers perfectly organized. Next, we're going to rotate the straight line layer. Add your first keyframe right at the beginning. I'm adding the second keyframe around the 3-second mark, but feel free to tweak the timing to match your project. Don't forget to apply this exact graph curve so the movement flows naturally. Go ahead and select the duplicated layer we created earlier. Open the Effects panel, search for Gaussian Blur, and apply it to the layer. Now, go ahead and add your desired text. Once it's created, drag the text layer down lower in your timeline so it sits nicely behind the upper elements. Now, open up the Blending and Opacity panel for your duplicate layer. From the blending options, navigate to Mask and tap to select it. Now, to make the bulb actually glow, select the circle shape layer, duplicate it, and add the Gaussian blur effect to it. Next, select the very first circle-shaped layer we created. Add the Echo Keyframes effect to it, and adjust the values to match the exact settings I'm using right here. Boom! Your light bulb animation is officially good to go. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments or shoot me a DM on Instagram. Leave a like if this helped you out.